What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth cutting issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button, then swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the Bluetooth issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now here tap on manage apps. Now go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app, and after opening the app, go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. So to clear this, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. Now after doing this, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth cutting issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.